What is a project? What does a project manager do? What is project management? If you are looking answers for any of these, then you are at right video. I'm your resource person and you are watching Project Management Fundamentals video. So let's start. What we call a project. Project is assumed to have the following characteristic. It's temporary. And it creates unique product, service or result. Project is a set of activities which has a clear beginning, a definite end, and an overview of what happens in between. A project creates something new, something unique, something that did not previously exist. It's a one-time, once-off activity, never to be repeated exactly the same way again. A project operates within certain constraints of time, budget, quality, and functionality, which we refer as scope. Projects are often confused with processes. A process is a series of routine, predefined steps to perform a particular function, say, expense reimbursement approvals. It's not a one-off activity. It determines how a specific function is performed every single time. Here are some examples of projects. The development of software for an improved business process. The construction of a building or bridge. The expansion of sales into a new geographic market. And all must be expertly managed to deliver the on-time, on-budget results. Who are project managers? In the broadest sense, project managers are responsible for planning, organizing, and directing the completion of specific projects for an organization, while ensuring these projects are on time, on budget, and within scope. They are organized, passionate and goal-oriented personnel who understand what projects have in common and their strategic role in how organizations succeed, learn and change. Effective project managers need more than technical know-how. The role also requires a number of non-technical skills, and it is these softer skills that often determine whether a project manager and the project will be a success. What does project managers do? There are a number of general tasks that any good project manager can expect to perform on a daily basis. Most important task what project manager do is communication, which is supposed to be effective communication. Project management is all about communication, whether through emails, calls, daily check-ins, or team meetings. Project managers must communicate with the members of their team regularly to determine the status of various projects and potential roadblocks that will need to be resolved. Updating key stakeholders on project progress on regular basis is as important as communicating with your team and ensuring that the project still aligns with changing company initiatives. Throughout the course of any project, it's common for scope, budget, resource allocation, and other miscellaneous issues to arise. Another responsibility of project manager is to ensure these any raised issues are resolved effectively in order to keep the project on track. Project manager also do budgeting. For small-scale projects, cost estimation may be a weekly or even a monthly task. But for larger projects with many different expenses to keep in mind, project managers may spend time reviewing budgets each day to ensure the project does not exceed resource allocations. Team building is another important thing that project managers do. A good project manager will do more than simply manage the steps of a project. They will also manage their team in order to keep them productive and happy. A part of this should include team building exercises designed to boost morale, particularly after challenging weeks or phases of the project. Organizing a weekly lunch or happy hour is one such example. Project management. Project management is how you apply the knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirements. In a traditional project management role, the objective is to complete a project successfully while remaining on time and within budget. A key factor that distinguishes project management from just management is that it has this final deliverable and a finite time span, unlike management, which is an ongoing process. Project management is about knowing exactly what your goals are, how you're going to achieve them, what resources you'll need, and how long it will take you to reach that specific goal. In fact, project management's goal is to make sure that everyone involved in a project knows these and is aware of the purpose of the project. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get updates with informative videos.